Hi kids, we're doing our first science experiment. So, there's spike crystals and
frosty diamonds.
Here's our coloring. That one, we'll even this one's name.
What are these?
The rock that we're gonna put them in.
Okay, I'm gonna call out what we need. Do you have your goggles, safety goggles?
Yes.
Bag of rocks.
Yes.
Mixing sticks.
Yes.
LED stand. The pretty stand with a light.
Yes.
A growing tree. Growing trays?
Yes.
Magnifying glass so we can look at them.
Yes.
We have 2 crystal powder bags. One for frosty. And the frosty is called potassium sulfate. And what is a spiked protein called, Percy? Say ammonia phosphate. Ammonia phosphate. And we have our dye and our chemical bags. Okay, let's get started.
Potassium sulfate. I'm going to put it in right now. Can I stir it? Please pour this. I'm wearing my safety glasses. Grandma, is it done yet?
Well, can you still see stuff at the bottom?
Yeah.
Okay, keep stirring. Keep stirring. Stir up the potassium sulfate. We're gonna call this the frosty
I'm
diamond.
going to put each rock in one of my shapes.
Oh, there's your seed crystals. And then what are we gonna do with the solution?
We're going to put that into there.
Okay, let's
Now
do
we're
that.
going to put beautiful colors in here. Watch. Now I'm putting
You've got one more.
Oh, what should I do? For this one, I'm going to do 2 colors. Yellow and blue. There, those are the colors we're going to do. What do we do now? We wait for 2 weeks to let the water evaporate.
And what's left behind?
That's the crystals.
That's gonna be beautiful. See you in 2 weeks.
See ya. Thanks for watching my channel. Bye. Hi kids. Welcome back to my experiment channel. It was almost 2 weeks, and you can touch these now because some of the water evaporated, and some of them broke. Like, look at this one. It broke. It looks like some plane right here. Okay, this one's my favorite because it's like peach color and it even has a light. So, and if you want to see more of my Percy or videos, just come down below and come join the Dad, Dad,
Yeah.
shut your eyes.
Okay. Okay.
You can open it.
Oh.
Peach.
Oh, look at that, bud. That's cool.
Do you want the magnifying glass?
Look, yeah, let's look at that. Oh, look at that, bud.
Is this
Look
really?
at those cool crystals.
This is not a crystal.
Cool.
This is not a crystal. Look, it's only a rock.
Oh, that's cool.
Whoa.
Nice. Look at that. That's cool.
Daddy, do you want this one?
You made these crystals?
No, Dad. There's a rock. This is